Hi guys, I gonna be doing my yard work today. It's nice sunny out. Look at my yard. We lost the guy that doing my yard, and I need to wear mask because I'm really so allergy of the grass. But the guy that used to do my yard, yeah, he's no longer doing yard work anymore. And I cannot find anyone that in my area that can do my yard. I will go and search, and this is my yard today. It's really messy. My yard is really messy, and I will do the yard work today. Just only on the front for now, and then maybe tomorrow I will, if it's really sunny again, I will do in the back. Okay, and stay tuned. It's really messy. Well, the grass is long now, so let's do it. Let's work. Okay, we'll see you for a little bit. My lawnmower, old one. I hope it still work. But this is all the grass that I need to do. It's really long. See how long the grass now. Yeah, so let's do it. I can make it. Okay, I can make it. Let's start. Okay, finally done mowing the lawn. But I called someone already. Somebody is coming next week to do pull weeds and maintain my grass. Is also friend of the guy that doing my yard. So that's really good that he recommend me someone that do yard work. Okay, I'm done with my yard for today. I mowed the lawn. Okay, and we'll see you in a little bit.